Hey everyone, welcome to my video. In this video, we're going to be exploring the fascinating world of psychology. We'll be talking about everything from the different branches of psychology to the latest research in the field. And we'll also be exploring how learning about psychology can help you not only understand yourself and others better, but also master new languages through translation. So whether you're a psychology student, a language learner, or just someone who's curious about the human mind, this video is for you. And if you enjoyed this video, please be sure to give it a thumbs up and subscribe to my channel for more videos like this one. So stick around, and let's get started. Thanks for watching.
Have you ever wondered how our mind processes thoughts and emotions? The mind, an intricate labyrinth of thoughts, feelings, and emotions. It's a fascinating world to explore, and that's precisely what we do in cognitive and affective psychology. Cognitive psychology delves into understanding our mental processes, the way we perceive, think, remember, and learn. It's like peering into the engine of a car, understanding the gears and levers that make it run. On the other hand, affective psychology examines our emotions, feelings, and moods. It's like studying the fuel that drives the car, the energy that powers the engine. These two branches of psychology are not isolated islands. They intertwine and interact, influencing and shaping our behavior in more ways than we can imagine. Every decision we make, every action we take, is a product of this intricate dance between thought and emotion. Understanding these two branches of psychology can give us unique insights into why we behave the way we do. DSM-5, the Diagnostic and Statistical Manual of Mental Disorders, provides a framework for understanding cognitive psychology. Cognitive psychology, at its core, is the study of mental processes. It seeks to understand how we learn, remember, perceive, and pay attention to the world around us. These cognitive functions are essential to our daily lives, but sometimes they can go awry. This is where DSM-5 steps in, categorizing and diagnosing cognitive disorders. It details conditions like attention deficit/hyperactivity disorder, where attention regulation is disrupted, or Alzheimer's disease, where memory gradually fades. By providing clear criteria for each disorder, DSM-5 helps clinicians make accurate diagnoses. But cognitive psychology isn't just about identifying problems. It's also about finding solutions. Cognitive therapies, for instance, leverage our understanding of mental processes to treat disorders. They might help someone with depression to challenge negative thought patterns, or assist someone with anxiety in managing their fears. Cognitive psychology, as framed by DSM-5, is a crucial tool in diagnosing and treating many mental disorders. Now let's turn our attention to affective psychology, another key aspect of our mental processes. Affective psychology, in essence, is the study of our emotions and feelings. It delves into how we react to stimuli, why we feel the way we do, and how these reactions influence our behavior. It is the bridge between our experiences and our emotional responses to them. The Diagnostic and Statistical Manual of Mental Disorders, 5th edition, better known as DSM-5, provides a framework to categorize and diagnose affective disorders. Among these, mood disorders are a crucial subset, encapsulating conditions such as depression and bipolar disorder. These disorders, characterized by significant disturbances in mood or emotional state, can greatly affect a person's quality of life. Understanding our emotions, thanks to the insights provided by affective psychology, allows us to manage them better. We learn to recognize patterns in our emotional responses and develop strategies to manage challenging emotional states. Affective psychology, as framed by DSM-5, helps us comprehend and manage our emotional states more effectively. So what happens when cognitive and affective psychology intersect? Well, they dance in a fascinating tango of thoughts and feelings, each influencing the other in a continuous loop. Our cognitive processes, like perception, memory, and problem-solving, don't exist in a vacuum. They can shape and be shaped by our emotions. Imagine, for instance, you're walking through a forest. Your cognitive processes help you recognize the rustling leaves and the chirping birds. But it's your emotions that color this experience. The joy of being in nature, or perhaps the fear if you're alone at night. Similarly, if you're feeling happy, you're more likely to recall positive memories. But if you're sad, your cognitive processes might dig up a melancholy memory or two. This interplay between cognition and emotion can impact not only our everyday behavior, but also our mental health. By understanding the interplay of cognitive